Hey folks, it's Josh with TechBee. In this video, let's check out the most suitable models for you based on price, performance, durability, and more. If you wish to know more, go through the links given down the description. Let's get started.
Mechanical keyboards are the most preferred keyboards of gamers. They are more tactile, durable, and faster. And it also provides a smaller footprint, portability, and lower price points of the membrane keyboards.
Not everyone can afford big bucks on the pricey models on the market. This one is the right pick for you if you're looking for a budget option.
This Razer Huntsman Elite utilizes optical technology for unmatched speed and a key stabilizer bar for providing precise and accurate key press. Its keyboard features a programmable digital dial for quick access to functions, and its optical actuation enables reset and actuation at the exact same point to rack up more key presses at an insane speed. Plus, its magnetic ergonomic wrist rest snaps to fit at the front of your keyboard and is made of plush leatherette for extreme comfort. And it delivers full functionality with keyboard controls for everything from brightness to volume via a programmable multifunction digital dial with 3 tactile media keys. Besides that, its key stabilizer bar on the top of the switch ensures keycap motion remains level and consistent without considering the corner of the keycap you press.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
This Apex Pro is the most significant leap in mechanical keyboards since the invention of the mechanical switch over 35 years ago. Its keys can be adjusted to meet the preferred sensitivity level, whether for gaming, work, or anything else. And its integrated OLED smart display with onboard storage is incorporated in the command center for on-the-fly info from your game, music, or Discord, and provides software-free customization for tweaking and saving your settings. Plus, its unbreakable aluminum alloy frame makes it the ultimate keyboard for enthusiasts who do not want to settle. Its clickable metal roller and media keys allow you to adjust volume and settings, and its built-in channels will enable you to choose from one of 3 possible places for your cable to exit to keep your desk tidy.
Are you looking for the highest end model here? Next up is the model that none in the market can compete with.
This Vulcan is the first keyboard to feature Roccat-developed Titan switches. Its switches are designed from the ground up and built for gamers craving a swift and precise keystroke while still tactile. And its tactile and silent 1.8mm actuation point with a 3.6mm travel distance features structural housing to reduce wobble while being pressed. Furthermore, its anodized aluminum plate reinforces the Vulcan's structural integrity and protects against wear and tear. And its detachable palm rest and low-profile keyboard design improve ergonomics for making it suitable for long periods of game time. It also features an individually configurable long-life LED capable of displaying 16.8 million colors and a variety of special effects. And its desk-hugging design minimizes strain for letting you experience from the Titan Switch experience, while its Loctite rubberized feet underneath the keyboard keep it where you put it.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
Varmilo's Moonlight MA108M, using its EC Switch V2 switches, is easily one of the best mechanical keyboards available. Its attractive and solid design provides a smooth feel and pleasing sound, as it offers a fantastic typing experience. And its EC Switch V2 currently comes in 3 versions: Daisy, Sakura, and Rose. Moreover, its Sakura has a 45-gram actuation force with a 2mm actuation point and 60 grams of force to bottom out at 4mm. And its EC Daisy's V2's actuation force is 10 milligrams lighter, and the EC Rose V2 is 10 milligrams heavier than the Sakura's.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This all-new Alienware keyboard features an iconic design that is specially created for exhilarating, immersive gaming. Its iconic Alienware design brings an added layer of imposing style with a zone-based Alien FX RGB backlight, which adds an unearthly glow to your keys. And its Alien FX design can bring you closer to the world you play in, with dynamic lighting effects tied directly to the in-game action. Plus, it's anti-ghosting and in-key rollover on all keys and mechanical switches with a 50 million keyboard lifecycle, onboard memory, and 15 programmable macro key functions with on-the-fly recording ensure a long life for your keyboard. And its mechanical brown switches deliver solid tactile feedback with low actuation force and low click noise, while its multimedia keys have even more shortcuts at your disposal, like a dedicated audio roller.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
Using Logitech Mech Dome keys, this G213 features 5 individual RGB lighting zones in 16.8 million colors. Its Mecha Dome keys are specially tuned to deliver a tactile response and performance profile. And it comes in a full height and has a total 4mm travel distance, 50G actuation force, and a quiet sound operation. Furthermore, its Prodigy membrane and keyframe construction design are built for real life, forgiving spill resistance tested to a 60 milliliter liquid rating. And its 2-level angle adjustments let you set your keyboard to the ideal position, while the integrated palm rest relieves discomfort or fatigue to keep you playing comfortably round after round. Its dedicated media controls can be used to play, pause, and mute music and videos instantly. And its Logitech gaming software lets you customize your G213 for added convenience and personalization.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.